I love my Ulanzi inflatable lights specifically because of the magnets that allow me to just mount them anywhere. I wanted to use this light with my overhead setup. Unfortunately, magnets don't stick to aluminum bars. So for today's 3D print, I designed a clip that will hold a magnet so that I can easily attach my Ulanzi light to my overhead setup. And now I can easily use this light for my pop-down shots. And make sure to follow along so that you don't miss any of the other 29 designs that will be made available for download free by clicking the link in the comments or going to MrCameraJunkie.com.